The future of automotive design has never looked more bold and more aggressive than with the arrival of the new 2026 ultra-detailed model, a machine built to dominate the road and command attention everywhere it goes. From the moment your eyes lock onto its massive stance, you realize this is not just another truck. This is a statement of power, engineering, and futuristic vision. The front fascia is the first thing that takes your breath away, with its colossal grille finished in gloss black, outlined with striking red accents, and centered by the iconic emblem that shines like a badge of honor. The illumination across the hood glows with the word Ranger in sharp red lights, while the headlights themselves resemble the eyes of a machine from another era, their triple-bar LED design giving off a sense of intelligence and precision. Every angle of this 2026 beast has been sculpted with purpose. The bumper is reinforced with heavy-duty armor plating, displaying the Outlander branding that hints at the truck's off-road DNA. Beneath the body, the lifted suspension reveals bright red components that not only enhance performance but add to the dramatic visual experience. This truck is taller, meaner, and more menacing than anything that has come before it, and when paired with oversized all-terrain tires and a widened stance, it looks ready to take on mountains, deserts, and city streets with equal confidence. Moving along the sides, you notice the aggressive wheel arches, designed to shield the enormous wheels while contributing to the futuristic design language. Each detail, from the side mirrors with embedded LED strips to the sculpted doors with sharp aerodynamic lines, has been engineered to blend strength with modern elegance. The glossy black finish reflects every source of light, turning the vehicle into a moving piece of art, while red highlights remind you that performance is always at the core of this machine. Step into the interior and the future only gets more impressive. The cabin is a perfect fusion of luxury and technology, equipped with a panoramic digital cockpit that stretches across the dashboard, offering real-time navigation, performance data, and connectivity features at your fingertips. The steering wheel feels like something pulled from a high-end sports car, trimmed with carbon fiber and leather, while ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, glowing in customizable colors to match your mood or driving style. Premium seating ensures maximum comfort whether you're cruising through city streets or venturing deep into off-road territory. But this is more than just design, it's about performance. The 2026 model introduces advanced hybrid technology combined with a turbocharged engine, delivering explosive power while maintaining efficiency. Whether you're accelerating on highways or crawling through rocky paths, the truck responds instantly with raw torque and stability. Intelligent drive modes allow you to switch seamlessly between city, sport, and extreme off-road settings, adapting suspension, throttle response, and steering sensitivity to match the terrain. This is engineering mastery built for every environment. Safety and technology push boundaries too, with AI-assisted driving systems, 360-degree cameras, automated terrain scanning, and predictive navigation that learns from your routes. It is as if the truck is alive, anticipating your moves and guiding you with futuristic precision. Combined with high-strength body materials and reinforced chassis, it offers unmatched durability and peace of mind. The rear view leaves a lasting impression with full-width LED taillights, a rugged bumper, and an intelligent tailgate system that adjusts automatically depending on your cargo. Whether you're loading tools, adventure gear, or simply showing off, this truck redefines functionality. The exhaust design with glowing red tips completes the picture of aggression and power. This is not just a truck, it's a revolution on wheels. The 2026 ultra-detailed model is a blend of art, muscle, and futuristic engineering that proves the future of driving is here, and it's bolder than anyone imagined. Would you like me to also make a short YouTube title, description, and hashtags for this script so it's ready to upload?